Hey guys, it's Meredith from Daisy Dean Fitness. If this is your first circuit, make sure you do a quick warm-up. I am already warm. I just completed circuit 1 on today's date. Today's February 13th, so find that workout. So we're going to keep going. I want your right foot down. You're going to do a back lunge with a hop top. So I'm going to turn sideways so you can see. So we're going to be a back lunge. You're going to hop at the top. Okay? Here's 3. We're doing 15 on each side. 4. If you don't want to hop, don't. Right? Easy peasy. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Whew, switch sides. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. You got to really reach back with that leg. Abs are in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good, shake it out. I need 4 knees up. Okay, 4 knees up. 1 burpee push up. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. Push up. Stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys got it at home? Come on, come on. This is number 4. Your modification. Modified. Okay? This is 5. Step your burpee back. Okay? 6. 7. 8. Come on, come on. Here's 9. You got 10. You got it. One more. Woo. Good. Take that out. Take that out. Okay. You're going to come down to a plank. Come down to a plank. Thumbs down. Elbows, wrists, and shoulders in alignment. You're going to step right and left. Right and left. Right and left. Now back is straight. Okay, like I said, elbows, wrists, and shoulders are in alignment. So if you had a glass of water on your back, it wouldn't spill. Okay, core's tight. Keep working. Woo. 1 more each side. Awesome. Bring that in. Right foot down. We're going from the top. Lunge back. Top up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo. 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Woo! Switch sides, guys. Come on. Big deep breaths. Come on, come on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Woo! Knees up, guys. Get ready. Heart rate's gonna be up. 4. 1 burpee push up. Come on, come on. Whew. 4. Come on, you're halfway there. 7. Woo. 8. Come on, come on. Nine. Got one more. Woo. Stand up. Right back down there. Plank walks, let's go. Woo. Come on, get that booty down. One more. Woo. Come on. We got one more time through. We got this, let's go. Right foot. You gotta breathe as much as I am, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Woo. 8, 9, remember going 15, no cheating. 11, 12. Woo. Ready? I did the wrong leg. Keep going. Keep going. You're doing 15. Woo. Come on, get 15, guys. I hope y'all are working at home. Let's go. This is my 14. Oh, here comes the kicker. 4 knees, burpee push-up. You got it. Oh. Just work for it. Take your time. Remember, you don't have to stay with me. Pause it and catch up. That's just fine. It's the beauty of working out at home, right? This is 7. Come on. 8. Keep that form. 9. We got it. One more. Stand up. Get back down here. For the exercise, getting down and up. Plank it. Woo. Breathe, guys. Good, bring it up. Grab water. Round 3's coming up. Click it now.